Man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he is. Underlining this philosophy from the powerful scripture of Bhagavad Gita, PR Group welcomes you to its world where hope is belief. In our quest for excellence, we believe that the world will have a better tomorrow and we will have a significant role in it. PR Group is a global structure of institutions stamping its mark in various sectors with the common aim of touching lives across the globe and leading them in this journey towards a better future. Under the visionary leadership of Dr. Meeta Singh, PR Group's journey of 3 decades has experienced exponential growth and multiple diversifications, keeping advancement of the society as the primary objective behind it all. With distinguished advisors like Dr. Ainhoa M. Singh, Mr. Vidhu Shekhar Singh, and Ms. Jayanti Singh guiding the way, PR Group is poised to create, deliver, and ensure value to the society through sustainable growth. Our guiding principles being integrity, respect, health and safety, quality and professionalism, leadership, economic and environmental sustainability, and value to the society engulf the spirit of the organization and have shaped its glorious journey. PR Group has been delivering value to global customers across 4 major sectors: education, environmental conservation and disaster management, business and consultancy, and spirituality. Education is the movement from darkness to light. PR Group is one of the leading names in the field of education. From preschool to intermediate, the group intends to impart value-based education to create better leaders for a better tomorrow. With this intent of creating masters, Tulip Kids International stresses on schooling toddlers such that they imbibe the essentials of life through exploration and discovery. Treading the path of quality education, New Millennium School emphasizes on maximizing opportunities for children by seeding eternal and universal values in them, to empower them with a sense of self-worth, skill assessment, and global vision. Through the New Millennium Education and Research Center, PR Group exchanges knowledge between the academics and corporates to bring a positive change in the education system in today's evolving global business environment. PR Group understands that the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. PR Group emphasizes on being a voice and spreading awareness through its monthly journal Paryavaran Chetna and Hindi weekly newspaper Vanchit Bharatwani to educate the citizens of the world in the direction of repairing damage and reversing trends for the betterment of the planet. In the pursuit of bringing about positive change in the society, PR Group's IIDM is a revolutionary concept, arming people with the knowledge on disaster risk reduction and preparedness for self-help as well as to serve the society. PR Group, on its journey towards environmental sustenance, has developed many economically thriving businesses, delivering service and value to its customers like PR Business Center, PR Consultancy Services, IIDM Eco Center, Millennium Inn and Cafe, Sri Vidya Lawns, Dashmesh Infratech Private Limited, Rivayat Fashion House, Millennium Diary, Sanskriti Celebrations, and IEC Sports Academy. Through the spiritual route, PR Group focuses on helping the citizens of the world attain the ultimate human experience of finding meaning in life and cultivating a higher form of learning and consciousness about one's own mind, body, emotions, and energy. International Sri Vidya Peetham has been developed amidst the quiet and serene countryside as the finest spiritual and yoga retreat for visitors to peep into their inner self. Here, the concept of spirituality is dealt with in detail, focusing on spiritual healing, meditation, and focus techniques, yoga, therapy, and Ayurvedic massages for alignment of chakras and rejuvenation of body and soul. We hold pride in our principles and achievements under the mentorship of Sri Satyendra Singh and look forward to joining more hands towards our global mission of a better world.